In this video, I'll tell you guys 10 cool things to do with your Galaxy Watch Ultra. Some of these things might also work on older Galaxy smartwatches, but this video is for those people who just got their brand new Galaxy Watch. Starting off with the number one thing, and that is Google Assistant. A lot of people who got the Galaxy Watch Ultra are saying that Google Assistant is not available. If I long press this key, then Bixby shows up. Google Assistant is definitely available, but it is not enabled by default. To enable it, just go to Google Play Store on your Galaxy Watch. Scroll down and here you will see Manage Apps. Just tap it and now you will see Assistant. Update this app and open it. Just go through rest of the setup process, and once you are done, go to Settings on your Galaxy Watch. Scroll down and choose Buttons and Gestures. Here under Home button you will see Press and Hold. Tap it and choose Google Assistant. So that's it. I'll suggest to avoid that voice wake up feature, as it will drain a lot of battery on your Galaxy Watch. Galaxy Watch Ultra once again has that route tracking option that was available on Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. For that, simply open your exercises by pressing here. Now tap on Settings. Scroll down and choose Route. Tap Add on Phone. On phone, if you already have a GPX file, you can add it right here. I have already explained how to make a GPX file. If you want a new video for Galaxy Watch Ultra, just drop a thumbs up and subscribe, as I'll be posting a video soon on it. Once you have added that GPX file, your route will start to show up here. You can check out the map, and also reverse workout option is available here. Galaxy Watch Ultra has this new quick button that can be used for different exercises and shortcuts. But you can also long press it and use siren in case of any emergency. Plus, if you don't want this siren, you can always turn it off by going in Settings, then choose Buttons and Gestures. Now just turn off this siren option right here. Now we have Multiport Exercise on the smartwatch. That means if you are doing cycling, running and then swimming, you can record them all at once. To try out this feature and to add new exercises, just move across these tiles and now tap on Multisport right here. It already has a preset of swimming, biking and running, but you can add a new one right here. So I'm adding running first, like this, then biking. Here we go. In the end, I'll be adding swimming. Now you can save it and you can use it as a preset. Galaxy Watch Ultra now has a dual band GPS. That means more accurate workouts and running. But you can enable an option that will maximize your GPS accuracy, and that is GPS lock. So it will only start workout after getting a good GPS signal. For that, go to your exercises, tap on Settings, and now choose Workout Start, present here. By default, countdown option is selected, but you can try the manual one. And here it says you can wait to start your workout until GPS is connected. So this is one amazing option for good accuracy of your workout and running. Galaxy Watch Ultra has a decent battery, but if you want a bit more battery life while you are doing a workout, you can enable exercise power saving. For that, go to your workouts, tap on Settings and scroll down. Choose Exercise Power Saving. Now turn on this option. You can also check out additional information written here, like what will be limited when this option is turned on. You can turn on your phone's Wi-Fi or hotspot just from your Galaxy Watch, or you can control almost any setting of your phone from your watch. For example, I will just swipe down, tap on this first option and choose Wi-Fi. Now Wi-Fi on my phone is turned off. In the same way, you can also turn on mobile hotspot. And now you can see that it is turned on my Galaxy phone. For this, on your phone, go to Settings, tap on Modes and Routines. Now add a new mode, like I have added here, to turn on Wi-Fi hotspot. These modes will be synced with your Galaxy Watch, and you can access them just by swiping down and tapping on this first option. By the way, you can also try it out on older Galaxy smartwatches. Now we have a new watch face that I like a lot. You can use this popular night mode by long pressing on watch face and swipe to the left. Here you will see this option. By default it is set to auto. That means in low light, night mode will be turned on, while in daylight it will be turned off. You can turn it off or keep it on even during the day. So check it out. If you want to make your Galaxy watch a bit more snappy, just follow these steps. Go to settings, scroll down, tap on about watch. Now choose software information. Tap multiple times on software version. Now developer mode will be turned on your Galaxy watch. Go back and choose developer options right here. Now scroll all the way down till you see window animation scale and transition animation scale. Choose 0.5x for both of them. So first I'm changing window animation scale like this, and then let's change the transition animation scale. Check it out and your Galaxy watch will be a lot faster now. Galaxy Watch Ultra has a new energy score option. That's basically your body's battery indicator. To access that, swipe across these tiles. And this is your energy score level. You can check out more information by tapping it. And rest of the data is available on your phone. You can see that we have a lot of information here. As you use your Galaxy Watch, this data keeps getting better. Now we have a new health metric called as the advanced glycation and products. You can also add a tile for that. This basically shows your metabolic and biological health. Right now my age, that is advanced glycation and products, is a bit high. Also you can tap it and choose show on phone for more information. Galaxy Watch Ultra has many new gestures and one of them is double pinch. You can end or pick up calls using this gesture, but it is not turned on by default. To turn it on, go to settings, scroll down and choose buttons and gestures. Now under gestures you will see double pinch. Just turn it on and follow on screen instructions. And this is how it works. Just double pinch to pick up a call and double pinch again to end a call. In the end I have some random things, like you can use your Galaxy Watch as a camera controller to take photos and videos. You can take screenshots by pressing first and third key. That will be saved to gallery of your Galaxy Watch and also to your phone's gallery. So these were some of the new things that you can check out on your Galaxy Watch Ultra. I'll be back with many more tips and tricks, so make sure to subscribe and don't forget to drop a thumbs up. With that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.